Good morning, all. Ira Epstein of Lynn & Associates with your morning flash update for this Monday, the 6th of March, 2017, about 9:20 a.m. Central Standard Time. Okay, more drama over the weekend. Again, some outlandish threats, complaints, accusations, I don't know. It has to do, of course, with our President Trump saying that his phones were tapped. And then, of course, now the FBI is saying, no, they have nothing to it. They're sending it to the Justice Department, and that's got to make decisions. It seems that these tweets are out of control in their own way when they may not be factual. If they are, this is a Watergate situation. So we'll find out which way it goes. The metal markets are not acting like it's Watergate. You had a rally last night, and as I would think off of news like that, and it's been giving it up as the morning's going on. The dollar is pretty much unchanged on the day, not going one way or the other. Same in the euro. So currencies are pretty flat here. Now, we did have some economic data, and it was the factory orders that came in. They were up 1.2%. They expected them up 1%. Ex-defense, though, that's the problem. They were only up 1%. Prior month, they were up 2.4. Ex-transportation, up 0.3. Prior to that, up 2.1. So there's a definitive slowdown there. Central bankers say the ECB is going to keep its monetary policy unchanged at this meeting coming up right now. And the Joint Chiefs of Staff, well, again, you've got this situation with North Korea firing off missiles as the war games are taking place between South and Korea and the U.S. Don't know what it means. Don't know how you stop something like that either. As I'm taking a look, though, at everything right now, I see that we had a good rally this morning in soybeans and meal. The corn, about steady, down a fraction here. Wheat was a good-sized pop. Sugar, well, I'm watching this. This market has a lot of resistance right up in this general area. It should be interesting to see what it's going to do. Nat gas, getting a good-sized pop this morning. That's fascinating to watch. And the question in rebob gas, which you can see right over my shoulder, is when is this going to start getting the period of time where the market starts anticipating the spring and summer driving. So you got to keep your eye on seasonals like that. And speaking of seasonals, that brings me to the Moore Research Center. This is a 2-week trial. Now, you get the trial to their website. This is phenomenal because I use it all the time. And you can see not only their special reports, but everything else they've got. They've got a whole disclaimer because at the end of the day, you cannot say that past performance is going to indicate future. It might give you an idea what happened in the past, but it doesn't predict it. You get a user ID and password. You go in and you can see the different months. I don't care if you're looking at spreads. I don't care if you're looking at outright futures positions. What if you could see that when a seasonal trade hit, because they only keep track of those that have worked, I believe it's 13 out of the past 15 years. And it tells you how much they lose or make each day that seasonal has worked. When it stops working, it's dropped. New ones come on. And as I said, you get all these fabulous special articles. How do you get this? Call us. Go to our website. You'll see a carousel of free offers. Click right on up here if you're watching me on YouTube in any manner. And underneath us, of course, if you're on different websites, you will see it from there. It'll say, click here to submit this form. Fill out what you want. We'll put it in your hands. I'm Ira Epstein. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later today with our other videos.